Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog! Nakasama rin siya sa intro natin guys. So ayun, this vlog, maglalakad-lakad tayo. Paikot-ikot sa town, sa iba-ibang places, kung saan-saan pa. So it's a series of our walking. So ayan,
Yeah.
stay tuned guys.
Papaka-healthy kami.
Yes, we are getting healthier this year.
We're aiming na 10K steps a day or more, hopefully.
Hi guys! So today is a Monday and I'm just walking myself the Doctor's Green Hotel. So ayun, nagpalabos tayo and imaging the other week, last week actually. So ayan, we're just leaving the hospital where I work.
The next day.
So we are going to the small park. So yeah, we're heading that way. But before we'll be able to reach that park. This is our route. Beautiful route. This is a long-term care facility. It's so beautiful out. And I just can't wait till the weather is just like this. And we can just walk and run around the town. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around guys. So as you can see, there is still some snow here and there because the weather is not like officially sunny and warm. Yeah, we still gonna experience this until I think late April, or yeah, I think that's it. May probably we don't have any snow. So yeah, we're here now. 360. So ang saya-saya ko lang. Dala ko pa yung bag ko, yung baonan ko. So I'm so happy. I just really can't wait na maging permanent na tong weather na to. Like for a bit though, it will be like for a few months. Kasi alam niyo naman dito sa Canada talagang may 4 seasons. So yung iba naman okay lang as long as walang snow. Kasi syempre mahirap naman tumakbo. And it's super cold. Like negative 2 digits. So ayun, medyo nagtutunaw. Ayan guys. Pero ayan, saya-saya lang kasi na-fulfill ko yung goal ko. So by the way, ayun nga pala, nangyari sa check-up ko yesterday. I don't want really to disclose most of the details, pero nasa brink na lahat ng numbers, so I needed to keep the work up. Kailangan nating magbalik Alindog, and hindi lang sa Alindog kasi it's been a while talaga na na-stuck ako sa bahay, just because uwi kami and there are some things na kailangan i-settle. So yun nga guys, ngayon nag-promise ako sa sarili ko na gagawin ko yung 10K steps a day until my birthday, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. So for now, yun muna yung goal, which is a month from now. And nahingal ako kasi pataas yung ano dito. So mayan, malapit na tayo sa wholesale. Ayan, ayun yung grocery store dito sa amin. And ayan, enjoy ko lang yung weather. So yun, naputol. Sorry, kasi yung watch ko 2 kilometers na daw yung nalakad natin. So yan, very good. Yesterday nag-start tayo maglakad, and today second day na natin. Magtutuloy-tuloy na to kahit na mag-snow, kahit na ano mangyari, basta lock in ako. Yan naman, ganyan naman talaga ako pag nag-start. So ayun, medyo nahingal kasi pataas. Anyway, so yun nga, kailangan na natin bumalik sa pagkain ng maayos. Just a reminder for you guys as well to look to your health and invest sa health nyo kasi eventually you gotta take care of your body kasi siya din yung magte-take care sa'yo in a long run. Hindi ka makapag-work, o diba? Hindi ka makapag-work na maayos kung may sakit ka or hindi mo magagawa yung mga goals mo like mag-travel and all of those things. So yeah, you take care of your body, invest on healthier foods. Hindi naman masamang kumain ng mga masarap, pero don't make it a habit. And like natural sunlight, drink water, eat more greens, less carb, and kung yung sa sweets kayang ikat nyo na rin. So yan guys, maganda yan kasi mawawala yung mga inflammation nyo sa katawan, yung mga sakit-sakit na yan. Just try to consult your doctor and magpa-test, and then after nyo makuha yung results, iparin nyo na sa doctor para alam nyo kung ano mga supplements yung kailangan nyo, ano yung mga kailangan i-correct hanggat maaga. So always remember that prevention is the best cure. So yun lang guys. Sharing is caring. So yan. Hopefully finish natin yung 10k steps today. Hindi lang hopefully, gagawin talaga natin kahit na maglakad ako doon sa tapat ng bahay namin paulit-ulit, paikot-ikot. So yan. Hi guys! Papunta sa park. So, very out of way na to sa bahay. Pero still, we're aiming gawin pa rin yung 10k a day. So yeah, it's positive 11 today. So, we are out and about. So yun guys. Tatawid tayo. You just have to press this one. And yan, pedestrian. Since kasi itong area na to, palabas na kasi siya ng highway. So yan, dito na tayo sa park guys. Ito yung para pinakabunga ng park. So yun guys, sobrang productive natin today kapag gawa pa nga tayo ng this one is basmati rice, quinoa, and lentils. So yun guys, assign pa tayo and we were able to cook our dinner on Friday and for tomorrow. So this one is chicken apitada, mabilis lang, walang cornstarch or anything, just tomato paste, water, konting soy sauce, konting salt, half chicken cube, tapos yung mga veggies natin, and yung chicken syempre. Ayan guys.
The next day.
Guys, may kasama tayo today. Kailala ka naman.
Ako po si Angel.
Kasama natin siya today. Yay!
Welcome sa vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. Ay, maganda pala dito. Oh. Hi guys. We're here at the Spark Center.
Hi guys.
So we're doing our 10K steps here. We are done guys. Super happy, nakahabol pa.
Yay! Kamusta? We're
Basta.
done guys.
We're done for the day. It's Saturday today nga pala guys.
So productive. Nakapag-basketball.
Yeah, badminton, running, walking. Tapos nakatulog pa kami ng ilang hours. Diba? So, ano, iwan ko lang dito. So, we're here at the ground floor. Ayan, yung kanilang soccer field.
I can show it to you.
Ayan, it's an indoor soccer field. So, kapag, syempre, extreme yung weather dito kapag winter. So, yan. Just gonna show you guys yung facility na Spark Center. Kaya maganda rin kasi may ganito sila dito. Oh, is it in the other side? Ito ba?
The next day.
Hi, babe.
Honey.
Ito yung dati naming bahay, guys. Pinakita talaga. So, dyan kami before. Like, 2018. No?
2018?
I think so.
Ready to end.
Dito kami nag-work, guys. Nakikita nyo yan. This is our workplace. Well, for me, iba-ibang facility. Dalawang facility lang. This is Fabian General Hospital. And soon, we will be out of the place kasi may bago silang pinatayong hospital, which is located doon sa kabilang area, sa northern. North na rin to pero mas north pa yun. So, yan guys. Ito siya. And then after namin ma-transfer lahat, I think gigibain na nila to. Kasi puro asbestos na yung building. Very old. Dito kami nag-work guys. Nakikita nyo yan. This is our workplace. Well, for me, iba-ibang facility. Dalawang facility lang. This is Fabian General Hospital. And soon, we will be out of the place kasi may bago silang pinatayong hospital, which is located doon sa kabilang area. Ito siya. And then after namin ma-transfer lahat, I think gigibain na nila to. Kasi puro asbestos na yung building. Very old. So yun na guys. Ito na yung new hospital.